Hey there, it's Amelia, and in today's video, I'll show you 5 ways to choose a color for your design in Canva, plus a bonus method. Let's get started. I created a new design and I searched for a group of 5 colorful stars, and I added several more groups of stars to change the colors of each group of stars. To change the color of your image, first select the image and make sure that you have this color option here at the top, because there are some images where it will not let you change the color. Next, we're going to click on this color option until we see the options on the left. So the first way to select a color is by searching for it in this search box. I'm going to search for light blue, and I'll go ahead and select this blue color. But notice that there also are some other suggestions. There's some other palettes below that you might want to consider for the light blue color. So yeah, I like this actually as a little brighter, so I'll select this one. Now you also have the option that if you have more than one image on your page here, there's a change all feature that you can click on if you wanted to change all the images to the same color. Now I'm going to use Control Z to undo that. So select the next group of stars here. And the second way to select a color is from the palette on the left. So first I have to clear out the words in the search box. So let me just click the X here. And the regular palette is here on the bottom. Those are the default colors. So let's go ahead and pick a color here. You can pick any of these colors, and then if you've added colors to a branding kit, they would appear here. And if you've already started your brand kit, you can click Edit to modify, add additional colors, and also reorder palettes, make a copy, delete a palette, and so forth. If you're new to My Brand Kit and you don't see it as an option here, check on the far left under the More option, and you should be able to find your brand kit under there. And once you select it, then it should appear on the left pane here. The third way to select a color is using the color slider. Now for this, we're going to select this plus sign, add a new color. And then you want to use this slider to move over to a color that you like, and then you can click in this area here to modify and make it brighter or darker. Okay, and then the fourth way to change the color is with the hex color code. So to get to the hex color code, we're going to click on this plus again to add a new color, and then you would have to know the hex color code to paste in here. So if you're using a color from another image, maybe as part of your same design, or maybe it's in a different design, you want to go open that other design. I have a second page here where I have another image, and I'm going to grab the color from this particular image. So with this image selected, actually it had an outline, I just made it the same color. I click on one of these color options, click on the plus, add a new color, and here's the hex color code that's already selected. I'm just going to use my Control C to copy. And then I'll go back up to my first page, click on this group of stars, click on the color option, click the plus, and then just use Control V to paste in the hex color code, and now the color is changed. And the fifth way to change the color, I'll select this next group of stars, is using the eyedropper. This is one of my favorites. So for this, you also want to click on the plus sign, add a new color, click on the eyedropper, and for this, you can move anywhere on your browser window and select not only a color, maybe there's a color based on a part of another image that you could see. You can also, if you wanted to grab a color from, like, say, the title bar or any color that you could see in your browser window. I'm going to select this purple color, and now it's been applied. Finally, I promised you one more bonus option. Another way to experiment with colors is under the Edit Image option. So I'm going to select the last group of stars and select Edit Image. And for here, you want to scroll down and experiment, like this one is Cool Color Mix, and I'll select Rainbow, and it applied. Now there's also some additional options if you hit the right arrow. And then down below, now this trippy option and slice were actually down in the you may like area here. I had recently selected it, so it moved up to the row here. Let's select something different from down below. I'll select Pixelate, see how that looks. I'll click Use, and momentarily you'll see some options here. Now, it's probably not the best on these stars, so I'm going to cancel that and select one other one. Let's try Duotone. Click Use, and you can select some of these options. Once you do select, I'll select this cherry color here, and I'll click Apply. Notice that now the option Duotone is listed here versus down below, and within seconds I noticed that some additional ones have been added. There's a autofocus face retouch, that's new, a letter mosaic, paint effects, bad TV, liquify, vision simulator, blur, and Prisma. So they're always adding new effects, so you can experiment and always look for more. Well, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, be sure to smash the like button and click subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. If you'd like to learn more about Canva, check out my new Canva course, which has step-by-step instructions, downloadable PDFs, and bonus videos. Check out the description below for special deals on my Canva course. Bye now.